Hello dear students, how are you all? So let's start intermediate second year mathematics 2A. Already we have completed introduction part of the chapter number 3 quadratic expressions. So in this part we will complete exercise questions. Exercise 3A question number 1. In question number 1 we have 5 questions. From these 5 questions I will explain you question number 3rd and 5th and the remaining will be homework. Question number 3rd. Given quadratic equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So here we have to compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 2. Here a value is equal to 2, b value is equal to 3 and c value is equal to 2. Here we have to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, we have a formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have to substitute a, b, c values here. This is equal to minus b value here 3 plus or minus under root of, so here b square, b value is given 3, so 3 square minus 4ac minus 4, a is 2 and c is also 2 divided by 2a. 2a is here 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 2 2s are 4. It is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root of 9 minus 16 is minus 7 divided by 4. Here we know that under root of minus 7 is an imaginary number. So here root minus 7 can be written as under root of 7 into minus 1. So it is equals to under root of 7 into under root of minus 1. And we know that the symbol iota is equal to under root of minus 1. So instead of under root of minus 1, we have to take I. It is an imaginary number. So now minus 3 plus or minus I root 7. Instead of under root of minus 1, we are taking I. So I into under root of 7 divided by 4. So we have to write one time plus and another time minus. So now it is minus 3 plus I root 7 by 4 or minus 3 minus I root 7 divided by 4. So here minus 3 plus I root 7 by 4 or minus 3 I root 7 by 4 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Question number 4th. Given quadratic equation is under root of 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equals to 0. So we have to compare with the standard form of the quadratic equation. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So here the value of a is equals to root 3 and the value of b is equals to 10 and the c is the constant term, that is minus 8 root 3. Here a is equal to under root of 3 and b is equals to 10 and c is equal to minus 8 root 3. So in this question, we have to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, we have the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is our formula. So in this formula, we have to substitute ABC values. So x is equal to minus b value is given here, that is 10, plus or minus under root of b square, b value is 10 whole square minus 4 ac, a here root 3 and c is minus 8 root 3 divided by 2a. 2a is here root 3. So now simplify it. Minus 10 plus or minus under root of 10 square is 100 minus this minus and this minus, minus is plus, 4 8s are 32, root 3 whole square root cancel, that is 3 divided by 2 root 3. Minus 10 plus or minus under root of 100 plus 96 divided by 2 root 3. It is equal to minus 10 plus or minus under root of 100 plus 96 is 196 divided by 2 root 3. So 196 is the perfect square of 14 minus 10 plus or minus 14 divided by 2 root 3. So one time we have to take plus and one time we have to take minus. Minus 10 plus 14 by 2 root 3 or minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3. So here minus 10 plus 14 is 4 by 2 root 3 or minus 10 minus 14 is minus 24 by 2 root 3. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this is equal to 2 root 3 or minus 12 by root 3. So minus 12 by root 3 can be written as minus 12 by root 3 can be written as into root 3 by root 3. So here minus 12 root 3 divided by root 3 root 3 whole square, that is equal to 3. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So the answer is minus 4 root 3. So here we got the answer. Here we got the roots of the given quadratic equation. The first root is 2 by root 3 and the second root is minus 4 root 3. Therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 by root 3 and minus 4 root 3.